Okay, it's the Red River over here. Red River down there. And I'm making a little video. Red River's down there right at the bottom. And right over here on the other side is the Rio. We're going to hike down in there today. About a mile. I wonder if we'll live through it. I have my doubts.
See all the lava rock. Dark gray is lava rock. Okay. Look right over there, Jack. That's the volcano.
There's the Rio.
There's the volcano.
You're going to be down there.
Oh, no.
Yep, you're going to be down there, so brace yourself.
Oh.
It's really intimidating if you're not used to hiking.
That's beautiful.
But remember, you're just going to go down a...
Oh, yeah.
It's gradual.
That's beautiful.
That makes it easy.
Why don't you get over here if that makes it easy?
Here's what you've been looking for, Johnny. Junta Point. Right here.
Bet they get some jumpers out here.
Really? You mean jump off here?
Yeah.
Golly.
It'd skin your knee.
Yeah, that'd be the idea.
Get that wire so the
There's
kids.
the red.
There's the Rio Grande. We hiked that trail right there, clear to the confluence.
Look at that. They come right together, don't they?
This is it. This is the confluence right here.
There's the Rio.
Yep. See it best? Come over here.
There's the red. And that's where they come together.
Yeah, there. Where they come to that...
Johnny, see this trail over here?
Come to that wishbone. You see that wishbone out there?
We've hiked all the way down, clear to the point. And we'll be way up yonder.
There's several red rivers, but that is the Rio Grande.
See there's 3 levels. You can see the next level, which is where those trails are. And then there's more that goes down in there to where the river is.
So it's not straight up.
No, it's zigzagging.
Yeah.
Switchback. You can see the canyon wall that we're going to walk down. See how steep it is? We're headed down that.
I'm excited.
You are?
Picture of your camera.
You are too, aren't you?
No, I'm scared. I'm not excited. I'm scared.
It's just
that's
it's rolling.
Rio.
Is it just red? Oh, it's a video? Okay. That's easy.
This is cold water on the red.
You have a red box flashing. Does that just mean it's on video?
Darker water right here. And it's up pretty high. You can see it how it's rolling down there.
Y'all look around here. Look. Everybody look. That's Pat. Pat doesn't look on command. Okay, you can look back at the gorge.
Probably in
It's a wide
video.
spot.
You want that? There's the cameraman.
You got a 16 gigabyte card. Should hold it all. There's the crew. There's the cameraman. Okay. Well, I think it's pretty plain here. Okay, this is the beginning. What is this? The Big Arsenic? 1 mile down into the bottom of the Big Arsenic. Here we go. And the big question is, will Grandmama and Cone and I make it?
Honey, could I change to your other hand?
Yeah.
Negotiating step number 1.
Can you make it down that?
Well, you know, I really don't know if this is a good idea.
That's what
I mean, really.
been the hesitancy from the beginning.
I really don't know. In fact,
You do know.
my better judgment tells me this is a bad idea.
Maybe it'll smooth out.
They say this is the one.
1 mile of this, and then we got to come back up.
You're the one I'm worried about.
I'm not worried about me at all. Just don't fall down the side of this right here. It's all over. This is tricky right here. A little double whammy there. Yep. Okay, I'm going to turn the camera off and I'm going to assume that we're going to make it. There goes the trail way over there. All the way down there to that river, way down there.
This is an Ellie trail.
Yeah. There's Pat and Jackie down there camped out waiting on us. Okay, Kong and Grandma are back there somewhere. Coming along. Here's the trail. And around here like this. What do we see? Whoa. How'd you get down there? Oh, you're way ahead of me, aren't you?
Yeah, we were waiting to make some on
Yeah. Well, I'll be honest with you. Go also.
It just gets prettier the further you go down.
Mm-hmm. Alright, this is what the trail was like after we got through the rough part. I'm narrating the video so I can show them. But it was tough. It would have been tough, even with it like this.
See the bridge up there? The hollow bridge?
Oh yeah?
Something about sacred grounds right here.
About what?
The bridge.
What's it about what?
Sacred grounds.
Sacred
There they are.
Huh.
All over. Elk. Bighorn sheep.
It's a petroglyph.
All around.
Huh.
Can you hold something? Let me hold that water bottle.
Yeah, till I get out of here.
Need one more hand.
You're not coming up here, are you?
No, I've already been back there.
Here's elk. Here's elk. Here's a bear paw or hand paw. Here's a man's hand paw. Here's a cloud. Here's a bear paw. And here's JM. Someone crawled up here and put JM. Here's lightning bolt. Here's a snake.
Huh.
Turkey foot. Right there.